Number two, develop daily source of income. Develop daily source of income. Now, it looks like the first one I told you, multiple sources of income, but again, it's a little bit different. You don't need to wait till the end of the month to make money. It is rather frustrating that you wait on the end of the month. I'm talking to salary earners, I'm talking to contract businessmen. You have to build other means of making money weekly, daily, timely. The reason why that is very important is that if you have to wait till the end of the month to make your money, it then means that a lot of things will stand still in your life. A lot of things will stand still in your life. If you have to wait for the end of the month, it means that you have to struggle to achieve something that you really want to achieve immediately. You need to find multiple streams of income, one, and then you need to find daily source of income. Daily source of income, something that will bring in money for you on a daily basis or on weekly basis. If you do not have that, my brother, my sister, find a way to get your business to actually give you money on a daily basis. If you ever find that particular business that will bring in money for you daily, you have solved 47% of your financial problem and absolutely 70% of your dream problem, because everything that we do goes up and down towards money. Number three, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Now, 2020 is not a year that you need to sit on the wall. 2020 is not a year that you need to wait for people to do things for you. 2020 is not a year that you need to wait until someone come and give you certain information. No, you need to go out there and find the information by yourself. You need to go out there and source the information yourself. How? You need to invest in yourself. You need to pay for that course. You need to take that YouTube course. You need to watch that video, that tutorial video. You have to spend time out of your fun and excitement. You need to come out and then take painstaking steps in learning something new, improving on your old skill. Let me shock you. The level of your income right now is tied to the level of your ability. The level of your earning right now, someone said, is tied to the level of our learning. So if you learn harder, you earn higher. If you learn higher, you earn higher. So what am I saying? The number three things that you need to do this year is for you to invest in yourself. You really need to invest in yourself, I have to be honest with you. You have to take that course. You have to go to that training. You have to take that online course. You have to watch that video. Put that on your phone and then watch videos that will educate you, that will make you a better person. Not just all random videos around, but make sure that you have a video or you have source of material or source of materials that helps you to improve on your person. You need to understand that investment in made in yourself is one of the greatest investments in your lifetime. So number three thing I'm telling you with you today is for you to do what? Invest in yourself. Take that course, take that training, take that tutorial, get it, eat it, spend nights, take sleepless nights learning and relearning your skills. By the time you are done with your training, the people that saw you yesterday will be amazed at what you've become today. So, 2020, you must do what? Invest in yourself. Now, before I go back to the fourth one, we have to remember that we talked about number one, develop a multiple source of income. Number two, build daily source of income. And number three, invest in yourself. Now, number four is not different from what I have just mentioned for you. But number four simply means that repeat 1, 2, 3. It's rather funny, right? Repeat 1, 2, 3. Step 1, 2, 3. So what am I saying? Number four tips hack I'm telling you tonight is saying repeat number one step, repeat number two step, and repeat number three steps. My brothers, my sisters, it is important for you to know that as we've entered 2020, every one of us have a certain level of dreams, what they want to achieve. But again, one of the most important things that will define the success of whatever you want to achieve is how much do I have to support my ideas. This is no longer time for you to be able to sit for one uncle, to one bank, to bankroll whatever you're doing. But this is time for you to lay your hands on the plow and find solution and let people exchange that solution for their cash. So it's an exciting time talking with everyone this evening, and then I really enjoyed myself sharing these thoughts with you. And I do hope by next week, Sunday, we will be meeting again to discuss another topic that is of use, of importance to us. But again, I will enjoin you that on Wednesday, new video will be dropping on our YouTube channel. I enjoy you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then watch out to the video this Wednesday. Don't forget, my name is Gson Ebuka, and you're welcome to Power Inspiration. See you next Sunday.